Hey guys, today let's learn how to share your screen with audio on Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to share your screen with, of course, audio on the Messenger applications, this is going to be pretty easy because what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Messenger application and also, of course, perform a call on there. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do first is to log on to my preferred account. And once I'm already here, I'm going to go ahead and choose, of course, and launch the Messenger applications. Once we're here, of course, I want you to go ahead and just call the specific person that you'd like to go ahead and, well, share your screen to. And once you're already on their screens, of course, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, so basically the option for us to proceed with sharing our screens should be located on the middle part of our screens right here. And then just go ahead and proceed with tapping on this share button, tap on start sharing and start broadcast. Now, once you're already here, basically this is going to allow you to now share your screens. As you would notice, it's currently sharing my screen right now. So once we're already here, what I want you guys to also make sure of, if you want to go ahead and proceed with sharing the audio of your device, is to make sure that over here, over on your control centers, that you would long press on your recording options. And I want you to go ahead and turn your microphone on. Now what this is going to do, it's going to allow the audio to be shared as well. So make sure that your microphone is on before we start proceeding. And it's that easy, guys, to make sure that your audio is also shared once you share your screen on Messenger. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.